Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode of Know Your Heroes, a telltale of women in aviation. Today we have our very wonderful guest with us, Ms. Afshin Faiz, who is an air traffic controller and working as Deputy Director Air Traffic Services in Pakistan Civil Aviation. She has working experience of 7 years. She holds MSc in Air Safety Management from City University of London. She is additionally a manager tower pre-flight unit ground ops at Karachi. Welcome, Miss Afshin.
Thank you so much for having me, Adiba. Thank you for your kind words.
So, would you like to add up something?
Yeah, it's just I've been working for 7 years. Every time I say that, it's just like, wow, it's been a long time. But yeah, when you're doing something you like, time isn't an issue. So yeah.
Yes, wonderful. Afshin, welcome from my side as well. Afshin, let's
Thank you,
start off
Mahma.
by getting to know you a little more personally, I guess. Professionally भी आपको जरा करीब से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. Air traffic controller या जिसको ATC कहा जाता है आम फहम उसके अंदर. It's regarded as a very stressful job and something that requires, on the spot decision making and being very vigilant. How
Yes,
did you decide to become an air traffic controller?
It all happened by coincidence because my initial education, I am a business school graduate. I have an undergrad in marketing, management marketing from the University of Manchester. So when I returned to Pakistan, I was initially working in the education sector for about a year. And then these jobs were advertised for ATC, Civil Aviation Authority jobs were advertised in the local news. So I applied and I got in. Before entering into the field, I had no idea because I traveled as a passenger. So my understanding was pilots jahaz chalate hain and they're responsible for the safety and from getting us from point A to B. I had no idea they were like air traffic controllers on ground guiding them throughout their journey, and they're never alone basically. So that's where it all started, which was 7 years ago. And I started, it was through NTS, and we gave the test. We were interviewed. You have to be medically fit to get into this profession. And we were sent away to Hyderabad to train for 7 months, the initial basic course. And after that, we came in and we joined our respective units, either in Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. You get posted to these main cities, which have all the units basically, so that you can get trained on all units. So yeah, that's where my journey began. It is stressful, but once you get the hang of it, I think people, you either like you love it or you hate it sort of thing. So people who are in it actually like enjoy it a lot, and it doesn't seem like work to them. That's what I was saying, that it's been 7 years and I don't, it just, it hasn't phased me कि 7 साल गुजर गए हैं करते हुए. Every day is a new day and every day seems like कि अभी start किया है, because it's challenging every day but it's very exciting at the same time, so it doesn't feel like work to me at least. So yeah.
Oh, wonderful. जैसा कि आपने कहा कि it excites you daily. So, I would like to ask कि does it excite you really to get out of your bed on Monday morning as well? Or what is it with you?
Basically Monday morning भी नहीं. Currently the work I'm in, मैं तो Sunday mornings भी उठती हूँ, ईद वाले दिन भी उठती हूँ to get to work. We don't have public holidays. We work 365 days a year, 24 hours, 7 days a week. हमारी shifts manned होती हैं. If I'm not at work, somebody else is working right now, because flights तो हर वक्त चलती रहती है ना. They are independent of time zones. तो हमारी ईद भी नहीं होती, हमारी पब्लिक हॉलीडेज भी नहीं होती, हम 23 मार्च भी as such नहीं मना पाते. So this is one of those things that if you're okay with such timings and working on Saturdays and Sundays and not having weekends, so this is the kind of job for you. We do get days off, we do get a lot of time off, but regular time nahi hota. It's not a regular week. It's not 5 working days ka 9 to 5 kind of a job. So yeah, I get out of bed on a Sunday morning even, so I'm happy to get out of bed.
अच्छा अफशीन, अभी आपके आंसर से ये लग रहा है you enjoy your work a lot and you've basically
Yeah.
said you don't feel it's work. So
Yeah,
what is that one thing that you would want to share with us is that you love the most about being an air traffic controller?
The thing with air traffic controlling is that for me personally, it brings me a lot of joy, fulfillment, and meaning. And for any, irrespective of the field of work you're in, if the kind of work you're doing brings you joy, brings a meaning to your life, और आप उसमें fulfillment feel करते हैं कि आपको एक certain level of satisfaction होता है उसको करके, या you feel gratitude for having that job. So I think you enjoy what you do and it doesn't feel like work. And वैसे आपको day to day में शायद पता ना चले, but when you think of it, when you take a step back and think about it, तो आप सोचते हो कि आप कितने लोगों की help कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि not everybody is traveling for leisure. People travel for so many different reasons, be it like for sickness, for maybe education purposes, for business, for even leisure. अभी जब कोविड की वजह से ट्रैवल रुका है, तो आई थिंक पीपल हैव रियलाइज्ड कि एयर ट्रैवल पे वो कितना डिपेंडेंट है बिजनेसेस. इवन आप देखें वैक्सीन्स की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड ऑल इज सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन आवर एयर कि जल्दी पहुंचाना है, तो बाय एयर इज द फास्टेस्ट मीन टू गेट स्टफ अक्रॉस. तो आई फील इफ यू फाइंड मीनिंग इन योर जॉब एंड आपको पर्पस, एक पर्पसफुल लाइफ गुजार रहे हो, तो आई थिंक यू एंजॉय व्हाट यू डू. सो या.
Wonderful, Afshin. Tell us about a time when you were the hero in your workplace or you faced a very difficult situation. I do know, but I want our people to hear it out.
Air traffic controlling is not an easy job. It's very emotionally taxing in the sense कि आप अपना no matter whatever situation you're in, या pilots किसी भी emergency में हो. अच्छा, for just for information, because a lot of I've interacted with Adiba, so she knows, but a lot of people wouldn't know कि मतलब मैंने ना सारी emergencies देख ली हैं. एक आधी है जो मैंने नहीं की, जो टेक्स्ट बुक में है. तो I've handled a lot of difficult situations in the sense के pilot emergencies, medical हो गई, engine on fire हो गया. I was working when there was the attack at Karachi airport. I was the controller on duty, tower controller. तो I think, but we've never seen it all क्योंकि हर दफा कोई नहीं होती है ना, तो you're just like caught by surprise. So yeah, difficult होती है, but हो जाती है manage. I don't know how. I have no idea. It's just like a natural instinct. Every time something goes wrong or a pilot requires our assistance, you just step it up. It's automatic. I can't explain it. So difficult, challenging तो सारी होती हैं, but जो मुझे, which I something that I hold really close to my heart, which I feel is an accomplishment, is जब attack हुआ था कराची airport पे, even yesterday I was discussing it with a friend कि मुझे बेशक आपकी career accomplishments और होती है ना, you get all these commendations, you get all these certifications and like awards and stuff like that, but to me personally what I hold really close to my heart is जब attack हुआ था तो Emirates और Thai के 777 they were fully loaded with passengers, and for me to be able to get them to safety was, I feel, is my biggest achievement, because this is something that we've been trained to do, and to be able to execute it in those circumstances, I feel this is something I'm most proud of. Even though the people who are in those flights don't know me, the pilots don't know me, I don't know them, but that feeling that I've got them to safety and no one was hurt physically is something that brings me a lot of peace. I've done a good job. Other than that, baki sab bhi you handle well, but that's something that strikes me every once in a while. I'm like, theek hai, acha ho gaya tha us din.
Bravo. Afshin, this definitely, without any question, makes you our superhero as well. And you guys are the heroes जो सामने obviously forefront पे नहीं आते हैं. And through this series, we're trying to make you come forward and to let people know कि आप जैसे unknown heroes जो हैं, वो day to day basis के ऊपर obviously इतने important missions को मैं कहूँगी, every day it's a mission to save 200 or 300 people lives. बल्कि इससे भी ज़्यादा multiple flights होती हैं, इतनी तो एक aircraft में सिर्फ होती हैं. So definitely. Afshin, this, having said that, कि अब we have found our superhero in you. कौन सा एक ऐसा trait है जो आपको लगता है is your superpower? And specifically, if you could also link it with your current designation as well, because you're Deputy Director Air Traffic Services as well.
Yeah.
So, एक कोई trait अगर आप बताएं कि this has been your superpower till now in the career.
I think it's just persistence and hard work. You have to be very persistent. Downfalls aate hain, you will feel like giving up at times, but you have to put in the work. I am personally not afraid to put in the hard work or the hours it takes. This is a profession that does require you to study a lot, because aviation industry is very strictly regulated. So every time something new comes along, या कोई नई regulation आई है या aircraft की कोई बात आई है या क्या, you need to be very up to date. It's a developing field. It is a science at the end of the day. So you have to be at the forefront of these things. You have to study. You have to be aware. You have to keep on practicing. आपकी trainings बहुत होती हैं. In Pakistan, there are different units, so you get trained for each unit. So on-job training भी बहुत सारी है. You have exams annually, biannually for each of those subjects. So it's a lot of hard work, and you shouldn't shy away from putting in the hard work. I'm not saying कि ऐसे days नहीं होते where you feel like giving in, but I'm not a quitter, so I just power through. And I would encourage everyone to put in the hard work, because it never goes to waste. You should do your best at whatever you're doing, put your heart and soul into it, and hopefully it will work out for you.
Well, Afshin, is there any professional or personal accomplishment would you like to talk to us you are most proud of till date? I know you are going to make us more proud.
Basically, I have achieved, alhamdulillah, a lot of, over the period of 7 years, I have achieved professionally a lot of accolades and certifications and awards from the DG as well. But most recent one being I topped my approach radar course recently, which was at the beginning of the year. But then again, all these awards and everything else pales in comparison when you like save lives at the end of the day. um, that's how I see it. I don't know if it's the right way of seeing things. I've even received the Honorable Company of Airline Pilots Awards last year, which they gave it to my university basically on my behalf. So, but at the end of the day, it's the work that I do that brings me the most like satisfaction and makes me proud. Ki, haan, I've done a good job. I've saved lives. It could have become a disaster, or I've like prevented that, and that's what makes me the most excited about the kind of work that I'm in. And even I take that as an accomplishment every day, to have an uneventful duty period basically. Okay, nothing's gone wrong, and even if it did, I've managed to like contain it. So yeah.
Wonderful. Afshin, looking at all the wonderful achievements जो आपने अभी हमारे साथ share किए हैं, would you also want to share with us something that you struggled with earlier in your career, or probably during the current time as well? One thing that you had to overcome to become the Afshin that we're seeing today.
Basically, earlier on in my career, around 2016, 17, there was a time when I just started. Like I was relatively new in my career, and I was a single unit rated controller. So I just had a towers solo, and I had been working at Karachi Tower for about 3 years. So I did feel that life is a little stagnated, and I felt that my professional growth has stunted. So during that time, I was very like demotivated, because I'm the person who wants to like go out and do things and like keep on growing as a professional. So it was at that time that I decided that I should pursue my MSc. So I started looking at study options, and because I did want to continue working as well as being able to study. So I found this MSc in Air Safety Management at City University of London, which is tailored for professional people. So it's only people who have an ATCL or a CPL or an engineering aircraft engineer's license who can apply to this course. And it has been such a rewarding experience. I've got to meet so many incredible people on the course. And so when I was feeling down, I felt I did something to overcome it. Because I know I need to be doing something to catapult myself basically into furthering my career, and to take it on that trajectory where I want it to be. So this is something that I did in my darkest time in my career. Darkest in the sense that I felt very demotivated, and I felt it's becoming a little repetitive. Day in day out आप एक ही unit में जा रहे हैं, आगे trainings नहीं हो रही, and you felt कि थोड़ा I was losing interest. So this is how I started studying more so to overcome it. So it has been rewarding studying in itself. So that's what I'm saying. You need to like encourage yourself with like positive things. You can't just give up that it's not happening. It will happen. It will take some time, but you need to like keep putting in the work. Basically, you cannot not put in the work and expect things to do well.
वंडरफुल अफशीन, मेरे 2 सवालों का आपने इसी में सम अप करके आंसर दे दिया कि या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वाज़ अबाउट टू आस्क यू कि इज़ इट ईज़ी, लेकिन आपने बता दिया कि नो, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन गोइंग नो मैटर व्हाट यू आर फेसिंग। एंड आई वाज़ अबाउट टू आस्क कि डिड यू फील एनीथिंग और वाज देयर एनी ब्रेकआउट मोमेंट, और आपने कहा कि आपकी जो ग्रोथ वाला फैक्टर है विद इन यू, इट kept you motivated. So let's come up to your first boss. Is there any lesson that you learned from your first boss, or is there any takeaway that your first job or first job experience gave you?
As I'd mentioned earlier, this being an air traffic controller is my second job. My initial degree, my undergrad is not in an aviation related degree. So after graduated, when I was hired, I started the marketing department of an educational institute. And my first boss was a female. And um, surprisingly or not so surprisingly, all the top tier, like her team was also very female dominant. So it is in that particular environment that I learned that how important it is for us to be championing other women. Basically we should not only celebrate them, but we should also advocate for them. We should also stand up for their ideas. Basically encourage women to go for it, make sure that their ideas are heard. So this is all that I learned at my first job, because I was working with these incredible women who had incredible ideas, and who have taken the country by storm, basically. So this is something, teamwork and how to have each other's backs is something that I learned from my first job, my first boss, and her team, basically. So yeah.
अफशीन, आपके आंसर से ये चीज ऑब्वियसली ज्यादा चीज सामने एक और पहलू या एस्पेक्ट आया है कि it is very important to have female leaders or female role models. Specifically, when somebody joins into a new career, it's always good to have female role models. तो आपकी जिंदगी में तो बहुत अभी नजर आ रहा है जैसे कि you got a very big boost by having a female leadership. At the same time, we cannot actually disregard the fact that we need to have male allies or male mentors as well. So, where did you find your male mentor, first male mentor, I would say, और क्या impact रहा उनका आपके ऊपर?
It's very true that you need to have the kind of leadership, everything is about representation. If I see a female leader, I could aspire to be one. Okay, it is possible. That's why there is so much focus on representation now. Okay, you need to have diversity in your teams. You need to have proper representation. So unfortunately, because female strength, females in aviation are so scarce that there are a lot of positions that don't have female leadership. And same has been the case with me in my experience. I have not had the opportunity or the privilege to have a female leader or mentor to look up to at work. But having said that, I do, and I did have a lot of male support. Because it's a male dominated industry, there have been many men who have been very supportive and very encouraging of the things that I've done. But if I were to take names like ex-director operations, Tariq Mahmood has been such an inspiration and has been such a push. Basically, he was the kind of person, he was a visionary. First of all, he was a true leader. He used to encourage all the young people who had joined civil aviation, and he used to nominate them for different courses, different training, because he strongly believed that we were the tomorrow of the organization. So there have been many. I can't. There are too many names to mention, basically. But he has been one of those people who I've been in touch with. I respect and love deeply, and he's just been such an amazing mentor and guide throughout the whole process. He's retired now, but he still teaches at our institute, and like he has so much to give, basically, that people, even after retirement, people are learning from him because he teaches in classrooms. So he is one of those people who are like a true asset to our industry.
वंडरफुल। अफशीन, आपने कहा कि आपके पास कोई रोल मॉडल या फीमेल हीरो या लीडर नहीं था, बट वी कैन सी वन कमिंग अप इन योर फेस। एंड विद दिस, और जैसे आपने टीम्स की और मैनेजमेंट की बात की, कैन यू प्लीज शेयर अस वन चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन दैट यू फेस ड्यूरिंग मैनेजिंग अ टीम? बिकॉज आई नो आपका इंडिविजुअल वर्क नहीं, और दिस इज़ विद एवरी वर्क दैट वी डू, कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट टीम वर्क या मैनेजिंग और गेटिंग एसोसिएटेड विद different people. So did you face any challenging obviously we do face, but the worst challenging situation that you faced, and you came out like a hero, like you always
Basically, our teamwork is very different in the sense that we work side by side. It's a very flat team. We just have one team leader, and he is supervising the whole set of controllers under him. So challenges, so because the kind of work we're in, रोज के हैं, it's not के नहीं होते या once in a while. The key with to sorting these challenges or facing them is communication. Our work is so heavily dependent on communication within the team, communication with the pilots, communication with the ground staff. So anything and everything that can go wrong is usually a fault of communication, कि miscommunicate हो गया या misunderstand कर लिया किसी ने. So I've never truly had a problem with working with. I'm a good team player, I would say, if I can say so myself. I've never really had an issue. It depends on how you're communicating. You need to be very clear and concise and precise in the kind of communication you're using, because not people like pilots, engineering staff, or ground staff, they can't see you. So the only thing that you're communicating with is your voice. So you need to be very sure that whatever you're saying is going to be understood the same way, and it's going to be executed the same way. Because we can tell a pilot to turn a certain heading, and if you're not really sure, or if you're not really we can give them a turn, but if we don't specify कि right turn करना है या left करना है, so it's not clear, and that these are the things that can lead to like complications in our operations. So clear, concise, and very, what do you call them? I'm out of words. Very clear, concise, and crisp communication is what is required for the teams to function properly. I've never had a big hiccup when I've been working in a team, so I've been blessed in that regard.
Yes, Afshin, mashallah. Achha, mashallah. Afshin, you've told us so much about your accomplishments as well, and we can see that you have struggled and worked through all of them. Have there been any time जिसमें आपको अपने लिए कोई भी opportunity, कोई title, I don't know, a promotion जिसके लिए you had to claim the title? Because sometimes you have to come up and believe in yourself and present yourself for something that you might be suited for. And अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि when things come up, तो हम अपने आप को underestimate करके कहते हैं नहीं, probably I might not really win it, or I probably might be the right person for it. So कोई अगर ऐसा incident हो वो भी share करें please.
अच्छा, ये Honorable Company of Airline Pilots Award था. This is something that I wasn't sure that I should apply to, because I was just very like full of self-doubt, which is very strange. But क्योंकि when you have to like open yourself up for a panel of people who are going to question you on your credibility and on your competence to be getting this prestigious award, it just it really pushed me into self-doubt. But my friends, I have a very tight circle of friends, and they were all very encouraging. It's very important to have people around you who like hype you up, and they're like championing you ke nahi nahi karo karo kuch nahi hota, and you're so deserving and stuff like that. So this is one of those things that I didn't want to apply out of fear of rejection, which is very common. Fear of rejection is so common. And when I did, and the panel was super happy to have me on board, and they finished the interview, and I got the email within like the next 3 to 4 minutes. They had already they had, I think, 2 or 3 more candidates they had to interview, and they just emailed me right away before the end of day that I'd gotten it. I was so surprised. And even though I think if you be yourself, firstly you have to put in the hard work, क्योंकि आप deserving तभी होते हो जब आप actually you put in the work. You can't claim something that you've not worked for. So when people around you are people who work with you, people around you, they usually know your competence, the kind of work that you're doing, and the kind of work that you put in to your what you bring to the table, basically. So all of this, I've never had to like snatch a title or snatch an award in that sense, because there has been they have the team usually at work, they are very vigilant of these things. They're very mindful, and they know what everybody is capable of. They're very, because we work as a team, right? So everybody knows what everybody's up to. So it's not hidden. Yeah, it's not project based. Yeah, because our work is something that is on display 24/7. They can go and listen to the recording right away. Kuch incident hota hai, to it's on the news. You can't hide anything. Everything in ATC is recorded. So it's very clear. So I've never really had to like put up a fight, or yes, self-doubt के moments होते हैं, लेकिन other than that कोई वो नहीं होता. लेकिन बात वही है कि you need to believe in yourself. If you're not believing in yourself, you can't expect others to believe in you. So that is something that is very important.
Wonderful, Afshin. You talked so much about having a back or ऐसा एक group or circle of people. So this tells about the importance of networking. So in your terms or in your words, would you like to tell us about some networking or social communities that you are involved with, or जो आपकी importance पहले तो, और फिर association with different communities or societies you are.
I'm, as a person, I'm not very social. There are only 2 or 3 people I hang out with, like my friends. I am not even the poster child for networking, because एक तो हमारे वर्क आवर्स ऐसे होते हैं ना कि नेटवर्किंग का टाइम नहीं होता as such. But I do participate in events that are meaningful in the sense that if they're for a good cause, I try and make time. Even if I have to take the day off, I will go to such an event. If it's to help young women, especially, that's something that is very close to my heart. कि अगर आप लोगों ने गाइडेंस किसी को करनी है, या एविएशन रिलेटेड कि किसी को प्रोफेशन में आना है, तो उनसे कोई बात करनी है, if you want to talk to students, education, young people, jobs, these are some things that I'm very interested in, and I like talking to other people about it. Then equality is something that I really want to work towards in my own little way that I can. And because I've not had the opportunity and the privilege to have female leadership and role models, I want the younger lot that is coming in now to be able to have those women to look up to. Ke, haan, if she can do it, we can do it too. And if she's been able to get to this place, yeah, if she's been able to achieve X, Y, Z, whatever it is, they can do it too. So even though I got to pave my own path in a way, I want others to be able to just follow, make it easier for them somehow. Like I try my best to make it easier for the other women who would be joining right behind me, basically.
Afshin, it seems like you feel a lot of responsibility onto yourself regarding community building as well. So you've already mentioned that you take out time and go out to events which might be related to, conversing or getting into communication with younger ones or people who might need your guidance in anything. इसी को थोड़ा सा और elaborate अगर हमारे लिए करें, something that you plan to do in future or something that you think is needed and you would want to be more part of it, specifically when we talk about community building, and specifically how important do you think it is for every one of us?
Basically, my focus, to be honest, when it comes to when we think about aviation, for me, it is very important that people general awareness be ho, because a lot of people don't have the awareness of how to get into the industry. वही दो तीन fields हैं, to medicine हो गई, dentistry हो गई, engineering हो गई, that people are just running towards, and they're saturated. There's so many alternative careers that you can choose from, and they pay well, they're respected all over, and these are the kind of jobs that someone or the other has to do. So even, and this is not, these jobs are not certainly reserved for men. So like, you can be an aeronautical engineer, you can be an aircraft engineer, you can be an air traffic controller, you can be a pilot, you can be so many things in the industry. ये तो मैं from the top of my head आपको बता रही हूँ कि ये तो jobs हैं, and women are somehow discouraged. Maybe they don't know, maybe they don't have support. So we need to have, like, I want to be able to help forward this thinking basically, and make it easier for people to come into the industry, and to have a first-hand view of how nice it is, and what a rewarding career it provides to you. So this is something that I really want to get into, to work with communities and non-governmental organizations, and even like Royal Aeronautical Society and other societies, to work with them and to collaborate with them to forward this cause, because we need women in these industries. It's just such a imbalance basically of power and even of numbers. Then what else did you ask me? Uske aage? I forgot.
Specifically something about community building. Obviously, you're definitely playing a role into getting people into, aware of the role of women in aviation. So उसके अलावा community building के और भी बहुत सारी चीजों की जरूरत है, हमें पता है हमारी society के अंदर. Something that you're most passionate about other than aviation, I would say. One thing if you could share with us.
Other causes that I'm passionate is child education. मतलब मुझे education is something that sets you free. If you're not educated, आप मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है life में आगे कहीं जाना. You need to, and even formal education की बात नहीं कर रही, skill भी हो सकती है. So this is something that I'm very passionate about. There are causes that I privately associate with, who are helping these communities, and trying to give them some form of skill so that they can make a better living, and they can have better lives basically. Then or what else am I associated with? Yeah, that's about it.
थैंक यू सो मच अफशीन. और हम यहाँ पे आपसे बड़ा टिपिकल सा एक सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे, लेकिन वी रियली वांट टू नो व्हाट अफशीन इज थिंकिंग, व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 years, और उसके साथ ही कोई मैसेज जो आप हमारी यूथ को देना चाहेंगे.
अच्छा, I usually I am the sort of person who doesn't make like really long-term plans. I am a very live in the moment kind of a person. I actually don't have a 5-year plan, believe it or not. ATC तो बस जाता है, उसी वक्त काम करता है, वापस आ जाता है. We don't have any homework or anything to like dwell over. I don't have a 5-year plan. I just want to put in more work, do better, be better as a professional, as a person, and see where it goes, see where life takes me. I do want to do a few career courses and career related stuff, but other than that, I have nothing else planned. So yeah, it will be a big surprise for both of us where life takes me.
Wonderful. Afshin, thank you so much for this insight और wonderful interview. अब छोटा सा एक हमारे 4 से 5 सवालों का रैपिड फायर राउंड है, जो कि फातिमा आपसे पूछेंगी, और अब हमारे पास सिर्फ रहते भी हैं थोड़े से ही मिनट्स. तो ओवर टू यू फातिमा एंड अफशीन.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Adiba. Quick questions, Afseen. Chale. I'm going to start over with asking you, if you were not an ATC, what would you be?
A makeup artist.
Makeup
Strangely.
artist. अच्छा, इसी के साथ अफशीन, एक चीज अगर आपने इन्वेंट करनी हो, what would you invent?
Invention तो नहीं होगी because it's not from scratch, but I would like to have faster planes because I don't like really long flights. I want the flight time to reduce.
A resource that you can recommend for every one of us जो आपके लिए आपको बहुत पसंद हो, specifically aviation related books हो, कोई website हो, anything, a resource that everybody else could use as well.
I read everything and anything online. Usually whatever company websites and all, like AR Turkey हो गई and Boeing के and all, because these are more authentic. So I read articles off of them. I don't follow generic people written stuff because I want authentic stuff.
All right. Your favorite aviator or an ideal?
Emily Earhart is one of those people who I like really like because of her, like because she was the first woman and stuff like that. And other than that, I don't really follow any of the aviators. I don't I personally know a few, but I can't call them my ideal.
But Emilia is definitely a hero to many of us.
Yes.
My last question would be, my last question would be, if there's anything that you could change globally, what it would be?
Better conditions for everyone in terms of like equity and equality and access to opportunities for everyone.
और विद दैट रैपिड फायर राउंड, और जो कि आज हमने बात की मिस अफशीन फैज से, जो कि ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर हैं. शी टॉक्ड अबाउट फुलफिलमेंट, जॉय, मीनिंग, परसिस्टेंस, हार्ड वर्क एंड ग्रोथ विद जॉब, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स हैं वाइल डूइंग अ वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल जॉब एज ए ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर. थैंक यू सो मच अफशीन फॉर टेकिंग टाइम आउट. थैंक यू सो मच फातिमा फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन, और सी यू इन नेक्स्ट एपिसोड.